The MagnifiScience Center, MSC, is an independent science center in Karachi, with a mission to develop among the populace an interest in scientific thinking, scientific literacy, and scientific methods through engagement with interactive exhibits and programs. The MSC's multi-story building, located in the city railway colony of Sadr, opened to the public in September 2021. Following its vision, Science is for Everyone, MSC promotes scientific literacy through experiential informal learning channels which spark curiosity and encourage critical thinking and problem solving. The MSC aims to remove barriers to STEM education for the public, particularly for marginalized communities and differently abled persons. The Science Center features over 200 interactive exhibits that enable visitors to get a hands-on understanding of different science concepts and relate them to daily life. The MagnifiScience Center is a project and run by the Dawood Foundation, a not-for-profit organization, certified by the Pakistan Center for Philanthropy.